Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, do it now. I like to color, cut, do acrylic drawings every day. I have to do something in a day. You see my wall looking so plain? Today I'm going to color it. To begin with, I am starting with this tape. My mama helped me stick this tape on the wall. You also can take your mama's help and stick this on the wall. Using Fevicryl acrylic colors. There are 10 in the box. You can use paintbrush, sponge or aluminium foil for this activity. Each will give you a different texture. I'm using a sponge and this is how I'm going to start. So let's begin. Mama. When you're doing, be careful, don't leave white space.
You see, when you mix colors, the pattern that comes is so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Are you liking this activity, Adele?
Yes, Mama.
Keep it standing only. Make sure you don't go below the tape, okay?
Yes.
At any given time.
That's why I was doing carefully.
Yes. And while you are doing it, you don't need to keep taking the color. You just dab the color once and that's about it.
And the color, it looks so beautiful.
Yeah? You like it?
Yes. My wall is going to look amazing when it dries up.
Okay. You have to just make sure that you apply good enough pressure, Adele.
Yes.
So that the way it comes out, it's beautiful.
You can take your mama's help if you're like how my mama gave me help. You can take your mama's help also.
So we are using the same sponge for the entire thing. Adele, keep the sponge in a standing line, please.
Yes.
Don't keep it sleeping, okay? So we are using the same sponge and then using different colors on that same sponge, so that way it is giving you the two color effect.
Now that I'm done, I'm going to remove the tape one by one.
Adele, why are you dancing?
Because I'm so happy this is made and so lovely looks
So
here.
do you want to do this side and this side as well?
Yes!
Did you enjoy doing this?
Yes!
Can you show everyone how it's looking? Can you get a...
Yes.
Thank you. So this is where Adele keeps her study table, and we are going to do this wall and this one as well. Subscribe to our channel
and
like a video
and click on the bell button.